Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the 9 solution to fix God of War Ragnarok black screen problem on your PC. Guys, the first solution to fix this problem is update your graphic drivers. So ensure your GPU drivers NVIDIA, AMD or Intel are updated to the latest version. Outdated drivers can cause display issues including the black screen. So when you update your driver, you just need to restore your PC and then launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. The next solution is to run the game as an administrator. Right-click the game shortcut and executable file or the launcher and select Run as Administrator, then simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then the third solution is verify game files. If you're using Steam, right-click on the God of War, go to the properties, then go to the local files, then click on the verify integrity of game file, then simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now this step is not very necessary. The next step is to display full screen optimization. Now just click on your God of War Ragnarok game, then click on the gear icon, then go to your game properties. Now go to the install file, then click on the browse option. And guys, here you have to just look for your game launcher or where your game launches or the exe file of your game. Right click on it, go to properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here check this box of the compatibility mode and then choose here the Windows 8. Then also check this box of the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. So once you check all of these boxes, then click on the plus, then click on the OK. Then simply launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then the fifth solution is lower in-game graphic setting. Set your graphic setting to low or medium, especially if your PC barely meets the game requirement. Lowering the resolution might also help. Now you can check and also try this fix. Now the sixth solution is to check for Windows Update. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Incomplete or outdated Windows builds can interfere with game performance. Now you can also do this step, just simply update your Windows then check. Now the seventh step is to update DirectX and Visual C++ redistributable. So this is not very necessary, so just skip it. Now the eighth step is to disable overlays. This is very important. So overlays from Steam, Discord or GeForce Experience may cause black screen issues, so disable them temporarily to check if the game runs properly. Now you can just do this step and then you can check, restart your PC, then check your problem is fixed or not. The ninth step is to reinstall the game. If nothing works, then reinstall the game. Ensure that all game files are removed before reinstalling to avoid corrupt files. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can simply roll back your graphic driver if you made any changes on your graphic cards. So after that, just restart your PC, then launch the game. And I hope one of the solution fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.